Huawei P50 Pro. So let's first start with this mobile's features. Let's start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.7 inches of 120Hz refresh rate OLED display, and it is a 1 billion color supported display. Now it's not a 10-bit, it's an 8-bit display, yes. And by the way, it was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 6. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in 4 variants: 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB variants. Yes, these are UFS 3.1 storage capacities and with the LPDDR5 RAM types. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, which is a 5G octa-core gaming processor, yes, and it is also a better processor for 5G bands. And I don't know the exact bands of 5G, but it will comes with almost 8 bands of 5G in India if it releases in India. So when we talk about the cameras, it comes with the quad cameras in a very unique orientation. It comes with a 108 megapixels of monstrous camera, and that's the main wide angle camera, and 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, yes, and 2 megapixels of macro, 2 megapixels of depth camera. So yeah. And for the front, it comes with a dual punch-hole selfie cameras, 32 megapixels of main wide angle and 12 megapixels of ultra wide, total of 44 megapixels at the front side. So yes, we can expect great videos and photos with this mobile. And for the battery, this is the section which needs to improve. That is, this mobile comes with a 4000 mAh of battery, but it supports 100 watts of fast wired charge. So yeah, that's the biggest thing. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, that is optical fingerprint scanner, and it comes with a dual speakers, that means stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack, and it runs on Harmony OS. It's not an Android OS, it's an Harmony OS, that is separate OS. And this mobile also comes with a glass back and metal frame and glass front. Both front and back, it comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. And for the colors, this mobile will be available in 3 colors in India after the release, and this mobile might release by the end of the September in India, I think so. So the expected price of this mobile will be around 60,000 rupees. So yeah, that's the video, and here I am telling you that. So if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. So thanks.